Hello, everyone. My name is Athena Felix, and we are going to be discussing implementing a functional analysis procedure. I'm sorry if you hear the storm in the background. It's raining really hard over here in this area. So, what is a functional analysis? It is an assessment. It is an assessment to determine the function of a behavior and is used to create conditions for the behavior intervention. In this assessment, antecedents and consequences represent those in a person's natural environment and are arranged so that their separate effects on a problem behavior can be observed and measured. So first we are going to be discussing the play condition, which is also known as the control condition. So in this condition, no demands are going to be placed on the learner, and it is expected that the behaviors are going to be displayed at low rates if they occur at all. Um, in the antecedent condition, we are going to provide highly preferred items and activities and provide non-contingent, non-contingent praise continuously. And it is important to remember that no demands are going to be placed on the learner during this condition. So, if the behavior does occur, we should ignore it or redirect it. Next, we are going to be discussing the alone condition, and it is used to determine if the behavior is maintained by automatic reinforcement. In the antecedent condition, it is best to have the learner in a completely sanitized environment so we reduce the likelihood of any outside influence on the behavior. In the if the behavior does happen, we are going to respond neutrally and redirect and or remove all attention from the behavior. Next, we are going to be talking about the escape condition, which is used to determine if the behavior is occurring to avoid a demand. So, anytime you place a demand on the learner and they they display the target behavior, we know that it is likely that they are using the escape condition. So, in the antecedent condition, we will be constantly placing a demand using a three-step prompting procedure. If the behavior does occur, we will remove all attention, all demands, materials, and prompting. Excuse me. We're not going to remove all the attention. We're going to remove all the demands, material, and prompting. In the attention condition, the condition is used to determine if the behavior is maintained by social attention from others. The antecedent condition, we are going to make sure that we are remaining neutral. That is very important. We must remain neutral and all attention is diverted and withheld completely. So if the behavior does occur, we will be able to provide them with attention. But it is very imperative that we understand that this attention that we provide is in the form of a mild reprimand. So, in the tangible condition, it is used to determine if the behavior is maintained by the access to items or activities. So, in the antecedent condition, we are going to withhold all access to preferred toys and activities and make sure that we are providing them with neutral items and non-preferred items, that those are available to the learner so that if the behavior does occur, we are now going to provide them with those preferred items and toys, activities, whatever they are, whatever tangible that they are working for. With the use of these conditions, we can determine what is maintaining the behavior. This knowledge can be beneficial in helping us select the targets that are appropriate to use. They have enabled the development of effective reinforcement based treatments and help us remove the reliance of reinforce punishment procedures. So we will, in ABA, it is more preferred to use reinforcement than punishment procedures. And finding the function of the behaviors help us with that. I really thank you all for watching and viewing, and I hope that I was able to help you learn something.